Okay, starting with part 2 of thermodynamics, that is first law of thermodynamics. Consider a thermodynamic system that is some quantity of ideal gas enclosed in a cylinder with piston. Now cylinder and piston are working as the environment for my system. Here my system is the ideal gas which is enclosed in my cylinder and a piston. Like here is my system, and cylinder and piston are working as the environment. Now the qualities of the piston are massless, movable and frictionless. Okay, after that, first part. Now see what is shown over here, the gas molecules of the system. Okay, ideal system is what? Ideal gas or gas. So okay, here we have taken ideal gas, so it is ideal gas. So the gas molecules are striking the piston. This is before collision, and after collision they travel back towards the wall of the cylinder, and then they might strike over here and come again, and under this striking and collision with the walls of the piston continues. So that is shown before collision, and after collision they bounce back. First case, gas strikes the wall, means gas molecules strikes the wall of the piston. They are striking the wall of the piston and they lose their momentum. Their momentum is given to the piston. Because of that, the piston moves out. Here what happens, as the piston moves out, the volume of the cylinder or the volume of the gas expands, or you can say gas expands, volume of the cylinder increases. Now, in this case, when the system performs work on the surrounding, at that time the work done is positive. Second case, when the gas, now in second case this gas molecules continuously keeps on striking the walls of the piston. Okay, now in second case piston is pushed inside by me, so the gas molecules are striking the walls of the piston. The piston, due to that, now your piston is moved inside. So now in this case the gas molecules will gain the momentum and gas will compress. So here is the second case, gas compress. That means piston moves in and the gas compresses, that is the volume of the cylinder is decrease in this case. Now here what has happened, work is done on the system by the piston. So in this case the work done by the system will be negative. Whenever work is done whenever work is done on the system, then the work done by the system will be negative, or you can remember it as whenever work is done on the system, at that time work will be negative. Now, to calculate the total work done by the system in changing the volume of the cylinder. Now, in both the cases we have seen here the volume of the cylinder has increased, and in the second case the volume of the cylinder has decreased. So, let's find out the total work done in changing the volume of the system, or the volume in volume of the system or volume of the cylinder. We'll see the first case. Let's start with the first case. What happens over here? I'll show you with another diagram. Consider a gas. Again the gas shown with the radium color. Gas is enclosed in the cylinder with a frictionless piston, movable massless frictionless piston. A is the cross-sectional area of the piston and cylinder and piston. Okay. P is the constant pressure applied by the system on the piston. P is the constant pressure applied by the system on the piston. Now the force, that is equal to pressure into area. We have seen this formula in 10th standard. Pressure is equal to force upon area. So what force will be applied on the piston by the system? It will be pressure into area. So this is the force exerted by the system on the piston. As the system is exerting force, means the system is doing work on the piston, piston will move out, and the displacement in the piston will be dx. If the displacement is infinite simul displacement or small displacement, then the work done in this case will also be small, that is, let's say it will be dw. Okay, now what is work done? Work done is nothing but force and displacement. Here the displacement is dx, force applied is capital F. So this is the formula for the work done in displacing the piston for this small distance. Now what is force? Force is nothing but pressure into area. So we have substituted that formula. Now area into the small change in the volume, area into this displacement gives me dV. Area into displacement is dV, that is small change in the volume of the cylinder. Okay, since the distance is small, the displacement or the distance covered by the piston is small, so the volume change in the cylinder or the volume change of the of the system will also be small, so it is represented as dV over here. So the small work done is given by constant pressure into the small change in the volume of the cylinder. So what will be the total work done by the system on the piston? It is very easy, just integrate the small work done. So we have integrated the small work done to find out the total work done by the system in changing the volume of the cylinder. Now since the volume is changing over here, so we have to define initial volume and final volume. Let's say initial volume of the cylinder is Vi and final volume of the cylinder is Vf. So the volume is changing from Vi to Vf. Now we have given here upper and lower limits to the integration. That will give me the total work done by the system in changing the volume of the cylinder. Now work done is what? Pressure into small change in the volume of the cylinder. Small work done was given by this formula. P is constant, so I'll remove it out of the integration. Integration of dV is what? Capital V. Then we'll apply limits. Upper limit लगा देंगे, that is Vf, minus lower limit, that is Vf minus Vi. So this is the total work done by the system in changing the volume of the cylinder. Now the next topic. Energy of the molecules is what? Is the internal energy of the system. Okay, suppose your system is a gas, so the energy of the gas molecules is the internal energy of the system. Now when first thing, your system does not perform any work, system is not performing any work, U is the internal energy of the system initially, when Q is the heat added to the system, so internal energy of the system will change. How much will the internal energy change? Whatever amount of heat you will add, same amount of internal energy will change. So amount of heat added is equal to delta, means the change in the internal energy. First case. Second case, no heat is added to the system. U is the internal energy of the system initially, no heat is added. Now the system is performing work. System किसी पे काम कर रहा है, at that time work is negative. System काम कर रहा है ना किसी पे, और वहाँ पर energy is lost by the system. System is, no heat is added to it, system is performing work. भाई बराबर है, एनर्जी लॉस होगी. कोई अगर तुम काम कर रहे हो, खाना नहीं खा रहे हो, तो तुम्हारी एनर्जी तो जाएगी, एनर्जी लॉस हो रही है. एट दैट टाइम वर्क डन इज नेगेटिव. सो योर इंटरनल एनर्जी विल बी नेगेटिव, क्योंकि एनर्जी लॉस हो रहा है. सो चेंज इन द इंटरनल एनर्जी विल ऑल्सो बी नेगेटिव. लेकिन इंटरनल एनर्जी में चेंज कितना होगा? जितना काम करोगे, है ना, जितना वर्क डन है. अगर तुमने ज़्यादा काम किया तो ज़्यादा एनर्जी लॉस होगी, कमती काम किया तो कमती एनर्जी लॉस होगी. सो ये तो पहले तो एनर्जी लॉस है, तो चेंज इन द इंटरनल एनर्जी इज़ गोइंग टू बी नेगेटिव. लेकिन कितना अमाउंट? वॉट एवर इज़ द वर्क डन. सो माइनस और यहाँ पर वर्क डन. सो चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी इज़ इक्वल टू वर्क डन. जितना काम करोगे उतना इंटरनल एनर्जी चेंज होगा. और सिंस यहाँ पर एनर्जी लॉस हो रहा है, दैट इज द रीजन वी हैव नेगेटिव साइन ओवर हियर. नाउ आफ्टर कंबाइनिंग दिस टू इक्वेशंस, दैट इज इक्वेशन 1 and 2, we will obtain total change in the internal energy. That is nothing but delta U. यहाँ पर भी डेल्टा U है. सो डेल्टा U इज इक्वल टू Q माइनस W. ये रहा, डेल्टा U इज इक्वल टू Q माइनस W. और यू कैन interchange the terms as Q. Let the Q be over here and take minus W over here, so that becomes plus W, and this is over here. So these two are the mathematical relations or the mathematical equations for first law of, or mathematical statement, a perfect word, mathematical statement for first law of thermodynamics. And the theoretical statement will be for this. It will be change in the internal energy is equal to the difference between the heat applied to the system and the work done by the system on the surrounding. Of course, the work is done by the system. Work is done by the system on the surrounding, whatever is there in the surrounding. Now, in this case, when amount of heat Q is supplied to the system, delta U is the increase in the internal energy. Its internal energy is increased by delta U, and the remaining heat is lost in the form of work done W on the surrounding. ठीक है, एंड द रिमेनिंग इज लॉस्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्क डन W ऑन द सराउंडिंग. सो दिस टू आर द थियोरेटिकल स्टेटमेंट्स for the mathematical statement of first law of thermodynamics. Hope you understood this. Now, very important thing which you should keep in your mind, if heat is added to the system, so it will be represented as positive. Okay, if heat is removed from the system, it will be represented as negative. It is just showing us the direction. If heat is negative, so you'll have to understand that it is going out of the system. Okay, if heat is positive, means you should understand it is added to the system. Now again, these two things which I have explained you earlier. If system performs work on the surrounding, then the work is positive. As the system is performing work, energy is lost, so internal energy will be negative. When the system performs work, at that time, whatever is the system, if we consider gas as a system, so gas expands, or the volume of the gas increases, or the volume of the cylinder increases. Okay, second case, if something else to work on the system, at that time the work done is negative. Now something else is doing work on the system, so energy is gained by the system, so internal energy will be positive. And in this case, gas compresses because someone else is doing work on the system. So when we are doing work on the system, the gas compresses, that is the volume of the gas decreases or the volume of the cylinder decreases. So these are the two things which you should keep in your mind. Now these are three representations of our first law of thermodynamics. Now here the heat is added. See, this arrow shows heat is added. 200 joule of heat is added to the system, and work done by the system is of 100 joules. Work done by the system is of 100 joules. Now before that, here the system, okay, चलो यहाँ पर इंटरनल एनर्जी हमारे सिस्टम का है U. इंटरनल एनर्जी है U. 200 जूल का मैंने उधर हीट दे दिया, तो इसका इंटरनल एनर्जी विल इंक्रीज. बराबर, 200 जूल का आ गया ना एनर्जी, वहाँ पर हीट आ गया. वर्क डन मैंने कितना किया, सिर्फ 100 जूल का, तो जो इंटरनल एनर्जी वो और बच गई. यहाँ पर तो 200 जूल आया ना, पर बाहर कितना गया, सिर्फ 100 जूल. तो यहाँ पर इंटरनल एनर्जी विल बी ग्रेटर देन 0, और माई चेंज इन द इंटरनल एनर्जी विल बी positive in this case. So let's check with the first law of thermodynamics, that is delta U is equal to Q minus W. Q is 200 minus W is 100, that is work done. So 200 minus 100 gives us positive 100 joule, means in this case, in change in internal energy will be greater than 0, means it will be positive when the heat added is more than the work done. Third case पहले समझते हैं. Now here the heat added is 200 joule and the work done is 200 joule. Change in the internal energy is 0. इंटरनल एनर्जी जितना था उतना ही रह गया, क्योंकि जितना मैंने हीट दिया उतना मैंने काम भी कर दिया मेरे सिस्टम ने. लेट्स चेक विद द थर्मोडायनेमिक का स्टेटमेंट. डेल्टा U is equal to Q minus W. Q is 200, W is 200. 200 minus 200 is 0. Yes, again my first law of thermodynamics is right in this case. Now for second case you have to just be attentive. Now see, here we have minus, means work is done on the system. Work is done on the system. Work is done on the system. What I have told, whenever system performs work, that time it is positive. See, here the system is performing work, work done was positive. Now here work is done on the system. Work is done on the system. So here it is represented by negative sign. मतलब कि सिर्फ यही ध्यान रखना है कि वर्क सिस्टम पे हो रहा है. बाकी कितने अमाउंट का वर्क कर रहे हैं हम, 100 जूल का वर्क कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, 100 जूल का वर्क हो रहा है. यहाँ पे हीट कितनी निकाल रहे हैं हम लोग. अब नाउ हीट इज एमिटेड फ्रॉम द सिस्टम और हीट गिवन आउट फ्रॉम द सिस्टम. कितनी हीट बाहर जा रही है सिस्टम से. अब सिस्टम से हीट बाहर जा रही है तो ऑफकोर्स नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. ये मुझे बता रहा है कि भाई सिस्टम से हीट बाहर जा रही है. कितनी बाहर जा रही है, 200 जूल. तो यहाँ पर चेंज इन द इंटरनल एनर्जी विल बी नेगेटिव. हमने दिया कितना सिस्टम को, सिर्फ 100 जूल. काम कितना हुआ, 100 जूल का, लेकिन इसमें से हीट निकली कितनी, 200 जूल की. तो भाई इंटरनल एनर्जी तो कम हो जाएगा ना. मुझे खाने को दिया सिर्फ 1 रोटी और काम करवा रहे हैं 4 रोटियों वाला. कि जैसे काम करा रहे जैसे मुझे 4 रोटी और प्लस बिरयानी भी खिला दिया साथ में, तो उधर तो मेरा इंटरनल एनर्जी विल बी नेगेटिव ऑफ कोर्स, क्योंकि मुझे तो खाने को दिया सिर्फ 1 रोटी, काम तो इतना सारा करवा लिया, तो माई इंटरनल एनर्जी इन दिस केस विल बी नेगेटिव. लेट्स चेक. दिस इज नथिंग. लीव. Delta U is the change in the internal energy, right? So Q minus W, Q is minus 200, minus work done is minus 100. So minus minus becomes plus, so minus plus minus 200 minus 100 is 100, बड़े नंबर की साइन, minus 100 जूल, मतलब change in the internal energy will be negative. So this minus and this minus is just showing us the direction. What direction? यहाँ पर हीट सिस्टम पे काम हुआ इसलिए वर्क नेगेटिव है, और सिस्टम में से हीट निकला इसलिए हीट नेगेटिव. बाकी तुमको सिर्फ नंबर पे ध्यान देना है, क्योंकि माइनस का साइन और प्लस का साइन हमको सिर्फ डायरेक्शन बता रहे हैं कि किस पे काम हो रहा है और किधर से काम हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ 100 जूल का काम हुआ और हीट कितनी निकाल दी, 200 की, तो भाई इंटरनल एनर्जी तो नेगेटिव होगी, राइट? होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. सो फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडाइनमिक्स किस द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन, किसके किसके बीच में रिलेशन दिया फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडाइनमिक्स में, हीट ट्रांसफर, वर्क डन एंड द चेंज इन द इंटरनल एनर्जी. ये तीनों टर्म्स के साथ हमारा फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडाइनमिक्स डील करता है. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड वीडियो विल कंटेन वीडियो मीन्स थर्ड